Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix the File Explorer not working issue in Windows 11. This is a frustrating problem that can pop up unexpectedly, but do not worry, I have got some solutions for you. Let us get started. The first thing you can try is a simple restart. It sounds basic, but sometimes a quick reboot can solve many issues. Go ahead and restart your PC, then try opening File Explorer again to see if it is working. If it is, then great. If not, do not worry, there are more steps we can take. Next, let us try restarting Windows Explorer. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager window appears, scroll down and find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will restart the File Explorer process and might get it working again. After this, check if File Explorer opens correctly. If that did not work, let us move on to the next step. Clear the File Explorer history. Sometimes corrupted history can cause issues with File Explorer. To clear the history, open File Explorer and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then go to Options and click on the General tab. Under the Privacy section, click on Clear to remove the history. This will reset the File Explorer settings and can help fix related problems. If clearing the history did not fix it, try another solution by running the System File Checker tool. This tool scans your system for any corrupted or missing files and repairs them. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter SFC/scan now. Let the System File Checker run. It may take some time depending on your system. Once it is done, restart your computer and check if the File Explorer is working again. Still not working, let us move on to using the DISM tool. The DISM tool repairs Windows system images and could fix deeper issues that might be preventing File Explorer from opening. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator just like before. Then type the following command and press Enter DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This process might take longer, so be patient. Once it is done, restart your PC and check File Explorer again. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Finally, as a last resort, if none of the above methods have worked, you can try resetting Windows 11. This will reinstall Windows while keeping your personal files, but it will remove apps and settings. To do this, go to Settings, click on System, then Recovery, and under Reset this PC, choose the option to keep my files and follow the on-screen instructions. After the reset is complete, check if File Explorer is working. That is it. Hopefully one of these tips helps fix your File Explorer not working issue in Windows 11. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.